Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We're in a whole new month, the month of February, and that means we're going to be exploring a new topic. But before we get into our tease for this week's topic, Victoria has an incredible piece of news. Share it with us, Victoria.
All right, it's what we've all been waiting for, myself included. The Zettelkasten for Fiction Writers book is available for order. Go to www.victoriacrowder.com and you, my friends, can grab your book. And then you can dive in to 566 pages of crazy and do everything you want to do with your story. It's all in the book. So grab a copy and please do sign up for the newsletter trial, because in today's episode, I'll give you a little tease. I'm talking about many of the things that appear and are covered in my newsletter, issue number 1. So I'm not going to tell you anything else. Kathleen?
Okay, I am so excited too. Ordered mine. I even have a tracking number. I'm so excited. And I think a lot of us are going to be kind of like a cohort of people who are going to be reading your book and going through it. So I'm really looking forward to the LiLLiPub community, a little place over where we gather when we're not here. And I know for one that I'm going to be talking about what I'm learning, and I bet a lot of other people are too. So if you want to join the conversation, oh, is it ever going to be lively over there? Already people are talking about is how excited they are that their tracking number tells them what day of the week they're going to have their book. So come on over to lillypub.org. It'll never be quite so exciting as this again. Well, at least I'm not for another month or so, maybe. Okay, Victoria, tell us what you're going to talk about this week. Give us a little tease here.
Okay, I'll go ahead and give you a little tease. So when I started putting together issue number 1 of my newsletter, I wanted to begin with some of the material that got cut from the book. So the cool thing about the add-on of the newsletter is you're going to get, at least for the first 6 months, things that had I put them in here, it would have been 900 pages. So thank goodness I had a very benevolent but eagle-eyed editor who helped me decide what things to take out. So in issue number 1, which is what we're going to cover in tomorrow's episode of Fusion Writing, we're talking all about primary and secondary resources and how those things feed research-driven writing. Because as lovers of the Zettelkasten, we're researchers. We like to read and explore and follow our fascinations and then use those things in the things that we write. At least that's certainly what I do. So if that lights your fire, then come back tomorrow and we're going to spend our first episode talking about how to use research-driven writing and how to identify it, and then how to dig deeper into it. Kathleen?
Okay, thank you so much. Well, my topics every month come out of my newsletter as well. If you're a subscriber, you know that my newsletter comes out in the middle of the month so that my subscribers will have the monthly topic in their hands in time for us to cover it. And so if you've got your newsletter, you will know that we're talking about responsibility this month. So one of the things that I'm going to also share with you right now, since this is a little bit of a tease, is how this newsletter is organized, because we start out with a gentle lead, which is what we talk about on the first week of the month, where we talk about how does it work and how do you get into it. And then we talk about how it functions in the different character positions and how it works in story. And so you'll see this in depth in the newsletter. So come on back tomorrow and we're going to find out about all of these wonderful topics that we have for you for the month of February. See you then. Bye-bye.